Today, I'm showing you how to check your PC or laptop specifications on Windows to see your processor, RAM, graphics card, and more. Let's get started. Method 1. Settings. Step 1. Open Settings. Right-click on the Windows icon in the bottom left corner and select the Settings option. Step 2. Go to System. Click System from the Settings menu. Step 3. Open About. Scroll down the left sidebar and click About. Step 4. View Basic Specs. Here you can see device name, processor, installed RAM, system type, 64-bit or 32-bit, Windows edition and version. Method 2. System information. Step 1. Open Search. Click the search bar on the taskbar at the bottom left. Step 2. Search System Information and open the app. Step 3. View Detailed Specs. A window opens showing detailed specifications, including system manufacturer, BIOS version, and processor details. Step 5. Check Components. Under Components, click Display to see your GPU model and video memory. And that's it. You now know multiple ways to check your PC specifications on Windows.